Hi guys, it's Lil Gojo here. So, today we're gonna be playing Snowstorm. Why am I making it so dramatic? I don't know, but anyways, guys. So, they just added this. Um, what am I doing? Anyways, they just added this mod called Snowstorm, and they actually added this some time ago. I know it from Crusher 21. It's someone you don't need to know. Anyways, guys, it's a really cool mod, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is my deck, guys. Believe me, this works. So you see this finger right here, this red thing. That's not a card, you know. It's called Warmth. In this mod, if you don't know, by the way, you can skip this here. I'm gonna show it on the screen right now. Go there to skip my yapping. I'm just telling this to the ones who don't know the mod. So in this mod, you have this thing called Warmth, and your troops freeze, and you need to make them warm so they can attack and like even walk, you know. And you can't get these three characters out of your slot. So I mean, it's not that bad, but actually the P.E.K.K.A. Mega Knight and P.E.K.K.A. isn't really good here because you need more swarm characters. So you can swarm. You can do a lot of swarm to warm them all in one time. Then your opponent can't do anything. So this is my deck, and now we can play. So I think this deck is really good, and you should use this too. And by the way, guys, if you like, what was it? I need to stop saying If you go to Clash Royale right now, it's gonna be like this, so no problem. Yeah. Let me just spam this in the back. Oh, is this gonna eat that? No. He has log. He has log. Really, bro? Anyways. Really, bro? It ain't gonna save you. I think this deck is not gonna work anymore. Why did I go scar me there? There's a wizard. Okay, this is not working. This is not working. You stop logging the hell out of me. Okay, bro, you are not slick. Come on, bro, work. You're not working. Okay, that hog was so bad. So am I in damage lead? No, I am not. That's bad. I want 2 wizards. Fly! No, 1 wizard is dead. Okay, we lost. I guess our deck is not that good. But I'm gonna try to win at least one time. Then I'm gonna end. Yeah, my goal is winning 1 time because I'm too bad to win 5 times. And by the way, guys, if you want to play with me, I just what was it? I just got this from Onkward. By the way, go subscribe to him, please, guys. Help him reach 1K. He really would want that. So please help him reach 1K. He's on the screen right now. And I got this from him. So I did not know this, but you guys can add me. This is my QR right now on the screen. If you want to play with me, just friend request me and we can play together. Guys, am I cooked? Please tell me if I'm cooked. Because he has 3. Oh, I am cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. What even do this challenge though? Oh, free banner. Let's go. Oh, no. I do not even care about what any of you guys say. This is just so good and I don't even care. It's just good. Who's gonna stop this? Kim Kardashian? Okay, that was not funny at all, but let's just play, bro. I'm gonna go Lava Hound in this side. Oh wait, should I do 500 damage? Yeah, 500 damage. Let's go. I'm gonna go for a mega gay. Hey guy, the problem is, what is that push? Bro, I'm building a push, bro. This is a push, bro. Okay, you're dead. Just accept it. Guys, come on. I don't think he's stopping this. I'm gonna stop with these shitty pushes. Okay, he's not stopping this. Another Lava Hound. What's he gonna do, bro? He can't stop this. Mega gay, mega gay, mega gay on tower, and he is dead. Yeah, I don't think he's stopping this one. Oh, really? Why are you still trying? Like, I hate when people like, just, you know you're dead, bro. You're not coming back. Just leave it, dog. Anyways, guys, we did it! Well played. Well played. Still, we're not toxic. Definitely. Yeah, we're not toxic, bro. We're not. Never. Like, did you guys see one time where I was toxic? Yeah. Yep, what you gonna do? What are you gonna? That's what like you're dead. Easy. Are we filming? Editor, shut it down.